Welcome. This is English Neco year 2019 English Objective Past Question. Question number 53. To this question, the instruction says choose from the options lettered A to E the one that most appropriately complete each sentence. So this instruction is applicable to question 41 to 70. And here in question number 53, the sentence says the Lagos Trade Fair dash annually. The Lagos State Fair dash annually. Option A are head, B is head, C is holding, D may be holding, E was head. And this statement is for what we call perfect past participle statement. So since the statement is of this nature, then we can now say that it cannot be are because it is one, then it cannot be is old, it is not continuous, then we can not say may be holding, and cannot say was old because the action is an annual stuff. So the correct option here is head. So the Lagos State Trade Fair is held annually. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.